Well, I'm pretty sure I got that one exhaust leak plugged with the gasket maker stuff, because this sounds like it is pumping out the rear. It sounds so good. Muffler delete light, boy. You like them blue arms too? Yeah. Damn, she sounds mean. Shoo! Figure we'll try and get a little sound clip driving. Hopefully traffic's not too terrible. We'll see. I can tell more sound is coming out of the very back. So I'd say our little exhaust leak is definitely patched up. That's awesome. It was, my exhaust was leaking at the flange for the catback because I didn't have a gasket there. So I used some high temp gasket maker. And boy, that stuff fixed it right on up. Sounds great to me. The idle sounds so good when it's up to temperature. So good. I'm hyped.